Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely amazing. I am back today with another Temu haul. This one is huge. There is a lot to get through in today's video. I have become a little bit obsessed with Temu. I am working with them for today's video, but I have found so many amazing things on their website. If you haven't heard of Temu, it is a site that sells a little bit of everything: homeware, kitchenware, clothing, jewellery, gadgets. Just there is like so many categories on their website. Everything's at a massively discounted price. You can get a lot of items for very inexpensive because you are getting them straight from the supplier. They have an app as well, which I would very much recommend downloading. If you are a first-time app user, then you can get 50% off with my code. That is definitely worth taking advantage of. I am going to link every item that I show in today's video, and yeah, we're going to unbox a lot of things together. So first up is this jewellery box. It is a 3-drawer like suede drawer jewellery box with like a see-through acrylic lid and sides. I think the look of it is just really expensive looking. The quality is really good as well. It's very me. It's going to go with my bedroom perfectly, and I've also got absolutely tons of jewellery from there to show you as well, because I'm a big fan of all of their jewellery. It's so inexpensive, it's just like crazy prices. Next I have this, which I'm so impressed with. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. It is this faux fur rug. So this one is also from Temu, but it's just like a small smaller size. This is what I am now having in my room. I had one in there before, but it was like a little one and it just got a little bit tatty. This one's massive. It's absolutely huge, and I'm really impressed with the quality of it. Really nice and fluffy. Fits perfectly at the end of the bed. Is exactly what I wanted. So inexpensive as well, so I'm really pleased with this. I can definitely recommend their faux rugs. The dog loves this as well. Like Rudy just rolls all over it every morning. Like he really enjoys having a little roll, because I've already had this set up in the bedroom for a few days now. Yeah, and I'm really pleased with it. I also got an alarm clock, which I just really like the look of. Toby's actually been eyeing this up, so I don't know whether I'm going to give it to him, possibly, but I think it's a really fancy looking clock. So it's like curved and it's mirrored, and that's how it looks on the box. Oh, that's satisfying. How shiny. That's quite scary though to wake up to in the morning, first thing. But yeah, it's really nice. It's obviously got different settings on the back. It comes with a little USB plug, or I think you can put batteries in it. Yeah, you can put like a round scale battery in there. But yeah, I'm impressed with that. I think it looked really fancy and expensive. I was looking at one on Amazon that was similar but much more money than this. Yeah, just a cute little modern alarm clock, or just clock. I might just put it on my desk, to be honest. It also shows you the date and temperature. Oh, it actually comes with the battery. Oh, I didn't even realise it's got the battery inside the box. That's even better. They do like loads of imitation products for, you know, well-known brands, and I got one of their watches, which is very similar to the Apple Watch, isn't it? It comes with another strap as well. It comes with like a beige one. I haven't put it on yet just because I need to work out how to move this bit down, because at the moment it'll be too loose on me. But I am so impressed with that. I think it's really nice. I really just want a nice watch that counts my steps and obviously tells me the time. For me, the cost of an Apple Watch is like crazy money, and I don't think that I would use half of the benefits that they actually have. So this I just really want for counting my steps more than anything. But yeah, you can control your music through it, phone book, heart rate, weather, all the usual. But yeah, it just was a bargain sort of Apple Watch, and I love that you can change up the straps as well, and depending if it's like more of an evening time, so this is a bit more fancy, and then they have the rubber strap for every day, but this goes nice with all my jewellery. So I'm really pleased with that. I just need to work out, like I say, how to adjust this, because it'll move down and then it'll fit my wrist. I've just not got round to that yet, but I love that. Really pleased with it. Oh, I got this as well because this is one that I see all over social media. I think it's like one of those Temu products that people like rave about. So I can't wait to set this up as well. This is one. They do different variations of it. You can get like a 2 set calendars, and then you can do like, oh, maybe mine is 2. Oh, I think it's 2 in there. Oh, amazing. So it is these acrylic boards. I think that's just one that I can put notes and stuff on that go on the fridge, and it comes with the pens and everything. Yeah, that is just going to come in so handy because the kids are back at school and they're all over the place, and I can write down when they're at like their dad's, when I've got places to be, just all of these things that just go round and round in my head I can have on the fridge. There's other board I can use for like putting meal ideas and things on. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I think that is such a good idea, and it's nice looking as well. Like, it's not too cluttered or busy, and I love that you can just reuse it over and over again. Let's see how well they work. Where are we in? So we can do like September the 3rd, and that is Dylan's birthday. I love it. So good. Obsessed with these as well, and I have a few variations of these coming, but these, I love Christmas. Like, I love Christmas so much. I love decorating for Christmas. Last year in my kitchen, I wanted it to be like Mrs. Claus's kitchen and have all of these like gorgeous little signs around, and I got a tiered tray in my last Temu haul, which now I can decorate, and I am decorating it for autumn, and I will 100% be decorating it for Christmas because I got these. So they're basically decorations for a tiered tray, and I just love that look. And this is a whole pack of them, and I'll be able to just have the cutest little decorations in the kitchen. So it comes with this one that says Gingerbread Baking Co. Baked with love. We have official cookie tester. Christmas calories don't count. And then we've got like little gingerbread woman and man, a gingerbread house, and then like a wooden bunting garland. I love these. It's my favourite thing ever, and it's just going to look so cute in the kitchen. Yeah, and they do loads as well. Like, I've got some autumnal ones, which you will see when I'm decorating the house. They do them for like all occasions, so if you just type in like tiered tray decorations, then loads of them should come up. And yeah, these are the Christmas ones that I just think are really gonna add something to my kitchen this Christmas. Oh, how good of an idea are these? I cannot wait to use these. So they are little microfiber dustery slippers. So you literally put them on your feet like this, and I can just go around giving the floor a little clean. They're genius. I could just spray the floor and shuffle around. Like, what a great idea. And then you can stick them in the wash. One of those things that you don't know you need until you see it, and then you need it. I also got this, right, and I'm excited again to use this. I bite my nails. The problem, sometimes I don't, sometimes I will grow them and I seem to stop, but I'm quite an anxious person, and it's definitely something that's like anxiety triggers me to bite my nails, and I'm not a big fan of going and getting done. I guess it's that social anxiety a little bit. I'm just not a big fan of sitting and having my nails done. I'm not a fan of going to hairdressers. Like, I just don't really like those kinds of things. Like, it's not an enjoyable experience for me so much, and I love to be able to have a go at doing things myself. So I got this whole kit to do my very own acrylic nails. So this could either go horribly wrong, or it could be like a new business venture, you never know. I think it just comes with everything that you need. I'm gonna have to obviously really work out what I'm doing before I go diving into this. But it comes with everything. We've got nail files, we've got the acrylic tips there. I think this is the little nail lamp as well. And then we've got like the clear tips. How cute though, like, it's just got everything in it. I don't know if it'll be any good. I don't know if I'll be any good. Oh, it even comes with glitter, little glittery bits, so I can decorate them. My sparkly nails. They really do just have like everything on that website. Like, anything and everything. Just type it in, you never know. They do like canvas prints as well, so a lot of the time if you see a print or something you want, there either seem to be like tin signs or a rolled canvas. Toby loves space, and I saw this and thought that might be nice. Like, I wasn't really sure how it was going to look when it turned up, but I am so impressed with it. I obviously need to get a frame. Oh, it's not that one. It is. Ooh. this canvas print of a spaceman. How cool is that? He's gonna love it, I know he is. And yet them being on canvas just makes it feel that little bit better quality, like it looks more expensive. How good is that going to look in a frame? Like the colours and everything of it, I think it's amazing. It's going to be so cool for a boy's bedroom. I know he's going to love that. I also got a couple, my sister had seen a couple that she wanted, so I got a couple for her, so she'll be very pleased. I got her this one because she's very into her gardening, and it's just a tin sign that says, "And into the garden I go to lose my mind and find my soul." And then another canvas print, she wanted this, which says "Stay Wild Moonchild." Another cool canvas. Obviously she'll just have to get a frame for it, but yeah, it's very her cup of tea. I think she'll be very pleased with both of those. So impressed with the quality of them. Like I say, when I first ordered one, I thought it was just going to be like rolled up card, but the fact that it's on a canvas, yeah, it just feels so much more expensive. What else did I get? Oh, I also got this, which just for decorating around the house, which I thought was cute. Because I see these and they just always look nice. Like, I don't know where I'm going to put it, but just like a roll of beads with the tassels. It's just a nice decoration. I might put it on my shelves. I need to have a little bit of a reconfiguration in this room and just change it up a little bit because everything's getting on my nerves. Yeah, I thought they were nice, little tasseled beads. Normally they're just like on display, aren't they? But I don't know where exactly, or they would look nice like on some shelves, like kids' shelves, in a nursery or something. But we will find a home for them, because we always do with all of these things. We'll always find somewhere around the house for them to go. This is super cool. So it's called a business coffee cup. I don't know why it's a business one, but yeah, I got this, which I'm thinking about doing the school run soon. I might already even be doing the school runs when this video goes out. And with that, it is always nice to take a coffee, because a lot of the time I will take Rudy with me, we'll go for a big walk, and to have my own coffee on the go is always appreciated. So it is a flask with a little straw in it as well. It just says coffee on the side, and I really like the colours of it. It's very me. They have got so many things like this, like the Stanley cup dupes on there. You can either have it as a cup like this with a straw, so that'd be good if you have an iced coffee, or you can drink it through that if you've got a hot coffee. I think, I might be wrong, but I feel like it's got two options and two different ways of having a drink out of it, or if you just have like water or whatever. How good is that? I think that's great that it's like versatile. That's how I'm going to use it anyway. I also got some aesthetic cloths for the kitchen. Well, I think they are. They are a 4-pack of like little waffle. They're like little tea towels, but I'm going to use them obviously for cleaning. We've got really nice muted colours if you care about that sort of thing for your cleaning products. I quite, you know, like things to be all matchy and pretty. So these are right up my street because they're all very nice neutral colours. Feel really soft as well. I needed some new cloths, so these are just going to be perfect for when I'm cleaning the surfaces 5,000 times a day in the kitchen, which I just feel like I do that all the time. If I'm in the kitchen, there's a spray bottle in my hand and I'm spraying like fingerprints off things and crumbs. It's just never ending. It just makes me feel like the kitchen's 10 times cleaner as well if I just go around and just clean the surfaces. I think like at least I've done that whilst I'm passing through. But yeah, just some nice new cleaning cloths. And I also got a mop, which I used yesterday because I wanted to use it before I sort of reviewed it, and I needed to mop, and just thought I really want to use it because it just looks really cool. So it is this scratch cleaning mop. It is a whole mop bucket and mop. It comes with 2 microfiber mop head things. So you attach these obviously to the mop, and then the bucket itself, it took me a little while just to work out how to set it up and everything because it doesn't have instructions with it. But the little mop bucket, which is just so good for space saving, this is what I thought, like it's not a massive bulky mop bucket. I can store this away pretty easy. You've got a dry side and a wash side. I found the dry side a little bit harder to get the mop in, but I don't know whether I had it properly attached because I just had a quick mop around with it yesterday to try it out. But yeah, it's two sides. Obviously you put in your cleaning stuff on the wash side, and it did a really nice job of the floors, and obviously you can machine wash the two cloths and swap them over, so that's really good. Coming up to winter time, I will be mopping all the time when Rudy has his little paw prints coming in from outside every day. So I'm dead happy with that. I also got some muffin cases because I do plan to do some baking, and they've got loads of cool little bits for baking on their website as well. And these are really expensive in a lot of other shops. Obviously planning to make some gorgeous muffins in these little paper cases. You could put little snacks and stuff in there as well, like for movie nights and things. It'd be quite good for the kids to have little treats in. I just thought they were really cute. You get absolutely loads. They had different designs as well. I went for just like stripy. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself doing lots of baking, maybe make some like pumpkin muffins or something really nice for autumn, and they are just gonna be perfect in these little cases. Then I got a whole load of jewellery because so far I've been a real big fan. I've got this one already from Temu, well these two bracelets and this necklace as well. I love a bit of costume jewellery. I don't like to worry too much about what I'm wearing, and this is the cheapest jewellery I've ever seen in my life. Like, it's so inexpensive, and yeah, so far I've been really impressed. I got these earrings, some gold hoops, super pretty. I love the little design on them. Obviously I love gold as well because everything is gold, but a lot of them come in silver as well. Another pair of earrings, I'll keep them in the box because in the bag because you can see better. So that is them. Very pretty. Then what else have we got? Oh, I got this for Toby again because of the space thing, and he's gonna have a locker with a locker key when he goes to high school, so I thought I'd get him a little key ring for that, and it's a little spaceman one. Doing a dab, I think it is. A dab dance move. This little like charm that you can put on your bag or your keys or your phone. I just love little girly things like this. I'll probably put it on my keys. I got this daisy necklace as well, which is gorgeous. What have we got in here? Oh, this was like a 3-pack of bracelets, which I'll probably put on in a minute. So I love the like layered bracelet look. Really simple little bangle and then 2 chain ones with fashions. They're really pretty. I like them. I can put all these in my jewellery box as well. Oh, this is nice. I almost forgot what I'd chosen. Oh, I just need to work it out. But it is this with like a crescent on it. We're getting there. There it is. So it's like a 3. That's so nice. Oh, I love it. Because obviously I know it's not going to last for ages. Somebody did say in my last video actually to put clear nail varnish on jewellery like this and it'll last longer. It'll stop it from tarnishing as quick. Because obviously it will tarnish and not like, it's not going to last forever. It's incredibly inexpensive. If you're just going to put on like a necklace for an evening for a couple of hours and then take it off when you get home, like they're just perfect for that. Oh, what did I get here? I can't remember. These earrings, ooh, they're a bit fancy, aren't they? I like them. So they sort of look like they like hook round, or I could put it in the top. Because I actually have my ears pierced 7 or 8 times. I just hardly ever have earrings in any of the holes. I've just got like a random couple of hoops. I've got them. But when I was younger, I used to have many earrings in my ear, and I remember as a teenager, I couldn't do it now, but I used to just like pierce them myself. You know, like you just don't care, do you, when you're a teenager? I just like pierce my ears in my bedroom just because I wouldn't be doing that now. But that's why, yeah, I've got about 7 piercings or 8, I don't even know anymore. Another layered necklace, another very pretty one, very impressed. And then what is this one? Is this a necklace as well? Yes, it is. Oh, that's so pretty. I remember that one now. Like a little sunflower sort of design. Gorgeous with the little diamantes as well. Love it all. Very happy. I think that's everything. I'm really impressed with everything. Again, quality of everything looks great. Prices are great. Delivery was great. Nothing's broken. Like just yeah, really impressed. I am going to leave the details down below for the discount, so you can get 50% off if you're a first app user. So go and take advantage of that because you can save yourself an absolute fortune on things that are already very inexpensive as it is. All of the links for everything is in the description box as well down below. And yeah, thank you again Temu for sponsoring today's video. That is where I'm going to end today's video though, so I really hope you enjoyed this haul. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Yeah, I very much hope to see you again for my next video. Take care everyone.